Hi friends, this is Max with Nichols Marine in Tulsa. We're looking at a Robalo 226 Cayman. This is a beautiful bay boat, shark gray paint with a nice powder-coated black hardtop. We've got a Mercury 250 horse engine with digital throttle and shift as we board. We've got a nice boarding ladder, a lot of flat space for fishing off the back of the boat. We've got 2 live wells in the back of the boat. We also have a live well in the front of the boat. Onboard cooler, we got a battery charger, lots of space for the entire family. Get a nice big dash to put whatever graph or chart you would like on it. Wonderful helm seat. Like I said, plenty of space to fish with the entire family. We've got a great casting deck area for anchor, also to hook up for your trolling motor. But wonderful boat for the entire family, plenty of room across the boat. Like I said, this is Max with Nichols Marine in Tulsa on a Robalo 226 Cayman. Find us on nicholsmarine.com.